Hello traders, and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, September 18th, 2018. How you doing? I hope your week is going well. We're going to show you how VantagePoint has been forecasting market movements and show you what you need to pay attention to. All right, we are looking at Medtronic today. MDT is the ticker symbol. So what we see here is a definitive move up, and then since early September, really the beginning of September, we've just been very, very sideways, unable to take out these highs here that occurred at like 97.38 or so. And what we've seen eventually is that not only do we see the predictive differences flattening out, they're now going south. We have the neural index going from the green to the red, and we have the predicted high and low lower than yesterday's actual high and low. And so all those things put together is telling me, and this isn't a binary type of down signal. What this looks like to me is a lack of bullish momentum, which what that indicates to me is to start looking for credit spreads. If the options player. Now, if you're a stock player, selling anything in this kind of 96 area, 96 half area, up to 97, perfectly prudent. You're going to be playing off of this resistance here at these highs that were put in. But if you are an options trader and you are interested in credit spreads, going out to just next week and doing a very small 97 half, 98, just a 50-cent wide put spread, selling that for 20 cents. Most you can lose is the width of the spread, which is 50 cents, less any premium that you take in, which is 20 cents. So the most you can lose is 30 cents. The most you can gain is 20 cents, which is the amount of premium that you brought in. So you are laying odds of 30 cents over 20 cents, which is 1.5 to 1. So that's how we are approaching Medtronic today. Have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you later on in the week.